Delicious chicken wings recipe. Let's make it. 2 pounds chicken wings. Wash them with water. Cut the wings in half. Dry wings using a paper towel. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap. Mix well. One and 3/4 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Refrigerate. 1 hour later. Ready for frying. Fry until golden brown or fully cooked, low-medium heat. Flip to cook the other side. Remove the wings from the pan. Remove the cooking oil. A little bit of cooking oil. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add the fried chicken wings. Add half a teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. Mix well. Green onions, optional. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, so delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.